Now we see the accessible states. Accessible microstates means the microstates which are allowed under certain constraints are called as the accessible microstates. Means, for example, we have a three particles, okay, and we have to distribute these three particles into the two compartments of a equal area, okay. Means similarly we have one box, and we have to distribute, we have to make the two exactly equal compartment number 1 and the compartment number 2, and we have to distribute the three particles, distinguishable particles A, B and C, these three particles into these two compartments. What is the possible ways of distributing these three particles into the two compartments? First, three particles in one compartment, zero in another compartment. Second way of distribution, two particles in the first compartment and one into the another compartment. Third, one particle in the first compartment and the two particles in the second compartment. Fourth way, zero particles in the first compartment and the three particles into the another compartment. Means the possible distribution for the distributing three particles into the two compartment are the four. Now we see what is the accessible microstates. Accessible microstates means the microstates which are allowed under a certain constraint. Now we put the constraint on this system. What is the system? We have to distribute the three particles into the two compartment, and now we put the one constraint on this system. What is the constraint? The constraint is that no compartment remain empty. The no compartment remain empty, it is the constraint on the system. Means no compartment remain empty means how many accessible states are allowed? Here is both compartment are filled, here is the both compartment are filled. This 3 0 and 0 3, this is not allowed microstates. Mean here is 0 is just means second compartment is empty. Here in this distribution first compartment is empty, means 3 0 and 0 3, this distribution is not allowed under the constraint that no compartment remain empty. Means allowed means the only two microstates are allowed, or two accessible states are 2 1 and 1 2. These two distribution is called as the accessible microstate. An inaccessible microstate, what is the inaccessible microstate? The microstates which are not allowed under a constraint is called as the inaccessible microstate. And which are those? The 3 0 and 0 3, these are not allowed states, and these accessible microstates means allowed states under a certain constraint. What is the constraint here? The no compartment remain empty. Here is both compartment are filled, here is both compartment are filled, so that it is a accessible state. In this case, one compartment is empty, here is one compartment is empty, means these are not allowed distributions, so it is called as the inaccessible microstates.